Hi everyone, what we got going on today is we're going to be making a stuffed pork loin. I like to add a few ingredients in there. It's pretty simple, some crushed pecans, some sliced apples, a lot of garlic. It's going to be great. You're going to love it. Alright, one of our first steps that we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a slice, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch thickness, being careful not to cut through. If we make a little mistake, don't worry. Once we start rolling it up, we're going to tie her up real good. Okay, so to tie up this pork loin, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie her up at one end real tight, and from there we're gonna make a loop, feed it through, make another loop, feed it through again, make another loop, feed it through, and continue on until it's nice and snug and the way you like it. All right, now that we have the pork loin all tied up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it up on the smoker. So we're gonna have the setting set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna put the loin in there and wait till it reaches internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so now that the pork loin has reached 140 degrees Fahrenheit, what I like to do is I like to wrap it in parchment paper and aluminum foil and just let it rest for about a half hour before I start cutting it. This way it locks in all the juices. Okay, this pork loin turned out pretty good. I like making it. It's quick and easy. It tastes really good. Only a few ingredients. What's not to like about that? So if you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out. I wouldn't want you to miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy.